This is a full 3D documentary I made with AI, completely free, in about 10 minutes. No editing skills, no experience.
It's June 2nd, 2014, in Okuma, Fukushima Prefecture. A worker in a white hazmat suit lowers a steel pipe 30 meters into the soil. Behind him stands the wreck of the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant. This is how Japan decided to freeze a city. The problem is water. Groundwater runs down from the mountains and passes straight under the reactor buildings. It touches the melted fuel. 400 tons a day come out contaminated. So the engineers proposed something strange. Build a wall out of frozen ground. The project cost the Japanese state about 34 billion yen. It has to stay frozen forever.
That whole thing, made for free. No editing, no camera, no skills. And this exact style is blowing up. This channel, Atrium, has just 12 videos, and it's already at 352,000 subscribers and over 31 million views. This one, Cipher, 16 videos, 277,000 subscribers, 21 million views. Both completely faceless. Both still climbing right now. Now, if you've been posting videos and barely cracking 100 views, I know how insane those numbers feel. But here's what nobody talks about. This is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube because it pulls a US and UK audience, the viewers advertisers pay the most for. And it's so new that almost nobody's doing it with AI yet. Every other tutorial is complicated or secretly costs money. I'll show you the simplest, genuinely free way, start to finish. So here's what you're walking away with today. By the end of this video, you'll be able to take any story, a crime, a disaster, a mystery, and turn it into one of these cinematic 3D documentaries, even if you've never made a video before, even if you've never touched AI. And here's what makes it different from every other method. The AI does the heavy lifting, not you. One prompt writes your whole script. Another turns it into every cinematic scene. You add a voice, some music, put it together, and post it. Nothing paid, no editing skills. Let's get into it. Every documentary starts in the same place, a gripping script, and you're not writing a word of it. Real quick, if you want the entire prompt pack I use in this video, just comment the word prompt down below and I'll get it to you. Cool? Let's keep moving. Open up any AI you like, and you do not need to pay for this. Claude works, ChatGPT works, and if you want a totally free option, DeepSeek works too. I'll use Claude. Now, there are two pieces to this. The first is one master prompt. You paste it in and send it. And the moment you do, it asks you for a source document. And this is the secret weapon most people never use. That source file is packed with real transcripts and branding from the big channels in this niche, so the AI learns exactly how they write. You just download it, drag it into the chat, and type attached. The AI reads the whole thing and locks onto that style. Then you type go, and it hands you 10 documentary ideas. Real high-drama stories built around crime, disasters, and mysteries. You pick the one that grabs you. It'll ask how long you want the video. For real money, aim for 8 to 15 minutes, but for this walkthrough, I'll keep it short. Now here's the part that genuinely impressed me. Because every one of these videos is based on a real event, the AI actually searches the web first, pulling the real dates, names, and details of the story so it doesn't make anything up. That accuracy is a huge part of why these channels get trusted and grow. And a few seconds later, you've got a full cinematic script. A hook that drops you into the middle of the action, tension that builds the whole way, and a cliffhanger ending, done for you. Now that script needs a narrator, and it's not going to be you. You've got a few free options. Clipchamp and CapCut both have unlimited AI voices built in, but for the most human, most monetizable voice, I use ElevenLabs. It gives you free credits every month, and here's why it matters. YouTube penalizes robotic, glitchy AI voices, so a natural voice is what keeps you monetized long term. So you pick a deep storytelling voice. I used one that I found nice for this style, and here's a little trick most people miss. In ElevenLabs, you can drop in emotional tags in square brackets like whisper, and the voice will actually whisper that line. That's how you get real tension and drama instead of a flat read. One thing to keep in mind, Feed the script in small chunks, around 40 words at a time, because if you paste too much, the voice starts to glitch. Generate each chunk, keep the best take, download it, and move to the next. In a few minutes, you've got your entire narration. Here's where it starts to look like a real film. Go back to your chatbot and type next. It reads your script, finds every main character in the story, and writes you a detailed image prompt for each one, as a plain white mannequin figure, no face. That featureless look is the whole style, and it keeps you safe from copyright because you're never using a real person. Now you bring them to life in Google Flow. It's free, and its nano banana model is perfect for this. You paste each character prompt, generate, and pick the best one. And here's the make or break tip. Once you've got a character you like, feed that image back in as a reference for every scene after it. That locks your character so he looks identical the whole way through. Same mannequin, same clothes. That one habit is the difference between a clean professional film and 30 random-looking clips. With your characters locked, type next again, and the AI breaks your whole script into scenes and writes a detailed animation prompt for every single one. It even asks you for a visual flow, so you can guide how the story looks, or just let it design the whole thing. You take those prompts back into Flow, switch it to the video model, drop in your reference images, paste each scene's prompt, and generate. Flow turns your still into a moving cinematic shot. A slow push-in, a dramatic pan, smoke drifting through a factory. Then you just repeat it, scene by scene. Quick free tip. Keep each clip short, around 10 seconds. Shorter clips use fewer free credits, so you can make the whole video without paying a cent. Yeah, this part takes some patience, but it's just dragging and clicking. Put on some music and you'll fly through it. Remember, this is the stuff people pay editors hundreds for, and you're doing it for free. A documentary lives on its mood, and that comes from the music. Head to Suno, it's a free AI music tool. Toggle on instrumental and describe the vibe you want. For this style, I type something like slow burn blockbuster trailer, growing suspense. It generates a custom copyright-free track in seconds, which matters because random music online can get your video hit with copyright strikes. Preview it, download the one you like. Now we assemble everything, and this is the part people are scared of. But for this style, it's the easiest, so stick with me. We're using CapCut. Keep all your files in one folder, your voice, your clips, your music, and import the whole folder at once. Then it's just a few moves. Drop your voiceover onto the timeline first. That's your backbone. Everything's built around it. Drop your music underneath and pull it down low, around -12, with a soft fade in and out so it never fights the voice. Then drag your clips on top in order, matching each one to the line the narrator is saying, cropping so they stay in sync. Add a subtle crossfade between clips, maybe a slow camera zoom for drama, and that's it. Then, do not skip this. Hit play and watch the whole thing back. This is the moment it all comes together and starts feeling like a real documentary. And it's your last chance to catch anything out of sync. Your video's done, but a video nobody clicks makes you nothing. So let's make a thumbnail that gets the click. Go back to your chatbot and ask it for thumbnail prompt, in the exact style these big channels use. You take those into Flow and generate them. And notice the formula. One dramatic mannequin, a torn newspaper background, and a bold red label tag with 2 or 3 punchy words, Tank 610, Don't Run, Switched Off, with a little arrow pointing right at the subject. That single word tag is what sparks curiosity and pulls the click. Generate a few, pick the boldest one. Last step, your channel. Ask the chatbot for channel name ideas in this niche, and it gives you short, cinematic ones. I went with Ledger Documentaries. Pick your favorite, and it writes your channel description too. Then ask it for a logo and a banner prompt. Take those into Flow and generate them. A clean, simple black and white mark for the logo, and a dark, minimal banner. Then here's the finishing touch. Drop the image Flow gives you into Canva, add your channel name text on top, and it comes out clean and professional. That little step is what makes it look polished. Nothing fancy. The big channels keep it minimalist on purpose because a simple, consistent look is what makes a channel feel professional. Then head to YouTube. Create your channel, drop in your name, your logo, your banner, and that description. And just like that, you've got a fully branded, faceless documentary channel, ready to post. So let's zoom out. A few minutes ago, these cinematic 3D documentaries looked like something only a studio could make. Now you know the whole system. One prompt writes your script, another builds every scene. You add a voice, music, stitch it together, brand your channel and post. All for free. And here's the part I promised I'd come back to. Why this niche over all the others? Crime and documentary content pulls a US, UK, and Canada audience. And those are the viewers YouTube pays the most for. So you're not just making something easy, you're making it in one of the highest paying lanes on the whole platform. That combination is rare, and it's exactly why you want to be early. Like I promised, the entire prompt pack, the master prompt and the source doc I used in this video is completely free. Just comment prompt below and check the link in my description and it's yours. Now, here's my challenge to you. Don't overthink it and don't wait. In the next 7 days, use this and post your first video. Because the people crushing this niche right now started exactly where you are. The only difference is they hit upload. If this made it click for you, subscribe, because the next videos are where I show you how to grow this into real income. Now go make your first one. I'll see you in the next video.